This was being filmed in my bathroom because it's the most convenient place, and it's where I clean everything because easy access to the sink. And it's also got really good lighting too. This is something I just picked up. It's a Holmes Blizzard. It's the older style that's black and then this kind of earth tone gray. I'm not going to be keeping this one, however. I don't have space. So I'm going to instead, I was going to my mom's work because she doesn't have air conditioning in her office anymore. And all the other fans in her office are just cheap China. Well, this is Chinese too. I think just cheap dollar store fans that don't move any air. And this one here moves a bunch of air and it oscillates. I paid $4 for this thing, and looks kind of rough. It's got, you can tell. Got paint. Has paint splatter or something splattered all over it. But it still works. So I'm gonna start it off on high oscillation off. Yes, right. Yes. Right. So starting it off on high. As you can tell, it's not the quietest, but it moves a lot of air. Medium. And low. And the GFCX blue. One more. There. God, I hate that GF0. It's getting replaced. It's faulty. And going to the oscillation works. I don't know if they all do this. I think you might be able to see the shaft. The shaft moves back and forth occasionally. Other than that, looks great. It's got a really good spin down time for one of these small fans. And I looked at the motor. It's actually a name brand GE motor in it. So it's from January of 2006 is the UL date, the date on the UL label. Made by the Holmes Group before they got bought up to Cars. There's a 106. Holmes. Holmes Group. LLC. Made in China. So yeah, it's one of my newer finds. Got more videos to make. I will be making them soon. Anyways, see you guys in the next one.